Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, Brawl Stars is packed with excitement and challenges. However, like any game, it has its quirks and that can drive players up the wall. Now in this video, I'm going to show you 7 things everyone hates about Brawl Stars. The first thing that everyone hates about Brawl Stars would be the matchmaking issues. Players often feel that matchmaking is unbalanced, leading to frustrating games, and this usually happens when new players are matched against highly experienced players, or when team compositions are unbalanced, making it difficult for fair play and enjoyable matches. Another thing would be lag and connectivity problems. Network issues and lag can ruin the gaming experience, and despite having a strong internet connection, players may still experience delays in movement or actions, which can be infuriating during crucial moments in a game. The third thing would be overpowered characters. So some brawlers are seen as too powerful, making the game feel unfair. So when certain characters dominate the meta, it limits the variety of viable brawlers and can make matches feel repetitive and predictable. The fourth thing would be the randomness in brawl boxes. The randomness of rewards in brawl boxes can be frustrating, especially when players get duplicates or low value items. This can make the progress feel slow and unrewarding, leading to dissatisfaction among players who are hoping for specific items or characters. The fifth thing would be toxicity in the community. Negative behavior and unsportsmanlike conduct among players can be turned off, and this includes things like taunting, intentional feeding, or abusing the chat feature to insult others, which creates a hostile environment and diminishes the enjoyment of the game. Sixth thing would be frequent updates and changes. While updates can bring new content, they sometimes come up with bugs or balance issues that upset players. The constant changes can also make it hard for players to keep up and adopt, especially if their favorite characters or strategies are nerfed. And the last thing would be the event ticket system. This can be seen as money grab, making it difficult for free-to-play players to compete. Events often require tickets to participate, and while they can be earned in games, they're limited, pushing players towards spending real money to buy more tickets. And that's basically the 7 things that players hate about Brawl Stars. We hope that these things would change in the future and Brawl Stars would do better on developing the game further. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.